Arrays. So what's arrays? Array is a collection. So we could have a collection of, let's say, daily earnings of a size 10. So, or let's say 7 days in a week. So now we can specify every element in that array. We could say first element is 3, second, third, and let me just compile that for you. So it doesn't output anything, but we can output every number using a for loop, or maybe you just want to output a single one. So daily earnings 0, and add a new line. So that prints our first element. So 0 is always the first element of an array, and 1 is the second element. So that's something to keep in mind when you're programming C++. So now we're seeing 13. And you may want to specify, like, instead of typing it like this, you can specify like the whole series. Okay, so I lost track of the numbers here. Okay, so you could specify it also like this. So if you compile it, so now we initialize the whole array on just a single line, and we output the second element, which is 5. So 0, remember, is the first element, so it will output 3. So it outputs 3. And we can use a loop to show all of the elements in the array. So put the iterator variable there. So now we see every element of the array. And notice that this 7 is like jumping out of the air. So instead of using this magic number that just somehow appears in the code, we can say week size 7, and simply use some well-defined number there. So that's basically what arrays are and how you can use them in the C++ programming language.